to the door with her.
I'm going to. Ava, what do you say?
Trick or treat.
Okay, so we got to walk up all these stairs.
Hey, look.
Yes, come on.
Parrot. Okay, so
Look at those pumpkins.
that's
Come on.
a big one.
Those are big ones.
Nana, help her.
Come on, Nana.
I'm coming. Mama's going to wait back there. You should be doing this.
Can't do it. Just kiss.
Come on. Over here. Come on this side. And you tell me what you say. When they open the door, you say trick or treat. Yeah. Maybe. Maybe they aren't home.
Huh?
I said maybe they aren't home.
Lights on her.
Nummy's home. Okay.